Hello, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're doing something rather exciting. So I have been thinking about making a Lego kit and building it 2 times as big for any really Lego set. I've had this idea for when I was a bloody kid, but today is the only time I have actually put it into action. We're going to be making the Red Bull Lego Formula 1 and times in the size by 2. So this is the car body that I'm going to be using. It is massive. My hand only just gets around it. So actually, here is a wheel. These are the biggest, well, not the biggest wheels you can get, but it's pretty big. No idea what I'm going to use for the wheels, but I'll worry about that when I get to it. But for now, I'll just focus on day number 1. Pop that there, I feel like I'm in Lego movie or something. So the first step is just a 1x2 red brick. And obviously times it by 2 is width and height. So it's literally just 2 2x4s just placed on top of each other, which is rather simple. And then we need what is it? 1x8 and 1x6. So times in them by 2 is these. So you'd need a 2x4, a 12 for a 1x6, and a 2x16 for a 2x8. Because 8 times 8, well, no, 8 times 2 is 16, 6 times 2 is 12. Let's just bring out the multiplication sheet, really. But, that is that part, is step 2 done. Then on step 3 is a 2x3. So you want a 4x6. And that should just go onto there. There are other people who like 3D print the Lego pieces, but I am 15 and obviously do not have a 3D printer. And it's less fun to do it that way. This way is actually better. Uses the mind block more. But then we get 2 more 1x2s here for step 4. And they go just on the sides. And then we need a 1x1 bracket and then one of these. So it doesn't really matter, you can just use a 1x2 for that. It's just there, because why not? But anyway, how you do a 1x2 times 2 is to use the bigger bracket. And just add a 2x2 on the side. I need to find another black one of them. I get it the right colour, but there you go. And then obviously, like I said, you only need a 2x2 for that, so just put that on. And then over here is not really hard, but it's a tricky bit of it all. So I've skipped this part for now because I want to concentrate on step 8 because of this bit. How on earth am I going to make that times 2? Do not worry. I may like skip a few days, like day 3 and 4 or day 2 and 5 or whatever, to build bricks like this, because there is 2 of these. But it shouldn't be too hard, I don't think, anyway. But anyway, these bits here, simple. No, it's just this. A 4x4 and a 2x2 with upward brackets, and that goes on the bottom. And the cool bit about this is you can see the red plate and the two yellows, and in the instructions you can see the little bit of the red and the yellow, which to be fair I think is pretty cool. But anyway, for now I just need to build this part, and then I can place that onto there, and as you can see it works perfectly fine. Man, this lighting is atrocious. And so you can see that's a bit loose. It's not good. Fits perfectly fine, and that is where the brick thing, whatever you call that, goes. So that is how big it is now, which I already think is ginormous. But pretty big. No idea what I'm going to use for the wheels, but I'll make it happen. I've been wanting to do this for ages, and this is my first attempt at doing so. So let me please tell me in the comments if you think I should continue, and thank you very much. Also watching the Adventures Losh. So see you in day 2. Goodbye.